Hi guys, I'm Ange, and if it's your first time here, welcome to the Craft Time Studio. This is where I share my crafting journey. For this weekend's lab, I wanted to use monochromatic colors. These are all custom blends in use of purple. If you want to learn how I customize colors, you can check out the link above. I'm also using for the first time an extruder, which I bought on sale. I used a tear-shaped plate and the plate with the tiniest circle to make very thin and even logs. For the main slab, I used the lightest shade and rolled it out into the number 4 setting on my clay roller. Next, I got my extruder. Remember, whenever you use the extruder, to always wipe it clean to get rid of any clay that might have gotten stuck to it. I conditioned the clay and rolled it out into a ball before I place it inside the extruder. I used the plate with the tiniest circle to make a very thin log. I use this log as the stem of the leaves. I place the stem at an angle moving outward. Then, I change the tear-shaped plate and use the same color of clay. I cut the tear-shaped log into very thin slices to make the leaves. Then, I used my detail needle to press the primary vein on the leaf once it is positioned on the stem. Pressing this down will also secure the leaf in place. I repeat this process on all the different shades of violet. It took a while to finish this, so I just decided to speed the video. Once the colors are all on the slab, I went back with a detail blade, this time putting the secondary veins on the leaves. This took quite a lot of time because I did try to go through each and every one of the leaves. And then, because I wanted to make sure that the slab was clean, I went back with a bit of alcohol and cotton bud. And that is it. This is really a half-day project, and it's only through the help of the extruder and the magic of editing that it looks like a simple slab. But I really loved the end result, and I thought it was totally worth it. If you decide to make a similar slab, do tag me on my Instagram account at crafttime.ph. I hope you liked this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you next weekend. Bye!